Now we're going to talk about expanding functionality in a function through its prototype. Here's a prototype for the function. I declare a variable called animal and I assign it a function. Now I'm going to define my function here between these two curlies. I'm going to have two variables in it. One is genus, one is species. A little while later I decide I'm going to make a method for this. I need a method for this, but I don't always want to use it in this function. So what do I do? I know. I'll make my method outside of the function. So I make a variable called status. I'm going to assign it a function, and the function is going to take an x. And the system will then log that x into the console so we can see it. So I got the method for this function for this prototype over here. Here's the method, and here's the function prototype. But how do we link these two guys together? We link them together with this guy here. I say, system, you know that animal prototype that I have up here? Yeah. I want you to put a new stat method inside of them. Dot stat. I want you to put a stat method inside of them. He says to me, really? Well, where do you want me to get the method definition for this guy? I want you to get it from equal sign this guy, stat, this guy up here, stat. So this guy is now this guy, who is the new method of the animal prototype. So even though it's not written here, it's this guy links these two together. What do you know? Okay, so let's get to work. I have a variable called A1, and I declare new animal. So I'm instantiating animal into the variable A1. A1, yes, your genus variable is boole, B-O-S. A1, yeah, your species variable is equal to mutus. Boole mutus, the yak. Yep, that's him. And A1, you know that stat method you have? And he checks, oh, no, not here. Oh, yeah, this one over here. Yeah. Pass it non-endangered. So, non-endangered goes flying into this X, while boole and mutus went into genus and species. Now, when boole gets into non-endangered gets into X, the system now logs that X into the console. That's it. That's how this thing runs. Over here, of course, in the HTML, all I have is my name up in the title bar and the one line of code in the script tag that links one expansion 01.html to func expansion 01.js. And I do it here. Okay, that's it. Now here's my func expansion 01.js, and I got to run this from the HTML. So I click on, so I make sure everything is saved. It is. And now I click on run and launch in Firefox. And I should see non-endangered. There it is, non-endangered. Right there. Worked like a gem. Here's our console, and non-endangered is logged into the console. Wow. That was amazing. And that's all I have to say for now. Thanks so much for listening. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.